Hey guys, it's Matt Hoots. We're here with Sawhorse. We are the 1920s Makeover ATL. And the last videos or set of videos that we created was talking about the zip system. So we've got 8 inches of ROCKWOOL insulation. Now this ROCKWOOL is R4 per inch. So 4 times 8 is 32. R32 just between the zip system and the edge of the ROCKWOOL. Now one of the other questions that I've got with this is like, what are you using to attach it? This is a screw that basically has the threads just on this side. So this is a 12-inch screw. You've got basically this part right here. There's no threads on the first 8 inches. This is going to attach. It's going to go through the plywood into the stud. Now you want to make sure that you're finding the studs with this. If you're just going through the plywood, it's going to fall out. That's not enough leverage, but this is very strong. If you were installing these every 12 inches, the furring strips are going to be strong enough to be able to help the cladding, the siding, whatever you put onto the structure. So this is the secret sauce right here. Now, this one right here is a galvanized screw. You can also use stainless steel. Unfortunately, I had a really hard time sourcing screws that were 14 inches or 12 inches long. Now, we're still able to use a galvanized screw with the modeling that we presented to FIAS and make sure that we are going to pass the overall energy analysis that we're doing. Thanks again for joining us on this journey as we continue to explore better building products and practices to help you have a more durable, healthy, safe, comfortable, and energy efficient home. For your convenience, we've uploaded other videos just like this. If you enjoyed this video, we appreciate it if you hit the like button and also hit subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any other questions about this topic.